designated right. What's going on here? That's a fucking stop sign. Sake, really? Couldn't make a roundabout. What are you doing? Really? Seriously? U-turn on a bend? Really? That's the tiniest car.